Hi everyone, I am Nived. So in this video, I am demonstrating one of my project that I have done using document understanding. So what I am going to do here is I have a set of invoices actually which I have downloaded from the Paytm, and there are different invoices. Some invoices are generated for mobile recharge, some invoices are generated for DTH recharge, some invoices are generated for paying the electricity bill, etc. So what I need to extract from all these invoices, I want to extract the name of the payer and the order number, recharge number, and the operator, amount paid, and the date of billing. These are all the details I want to extract from all these 50 invoices, and here for that I am using document understanding concept in UiPath, and the type of extractor I am using here is form based extractor. So let's start running the workflow to see, and before that, after extracting these details, we are storing in an Excel file, that is invoice xlx, these details. So we can see while running itself what happens. So it's running. Uh, actually I am running it in unattended mode. The reason is that already I have tested it with present validation status, and it was found to be extracting all the data. So now actually I am running in unattended mode to extract all the values from these invoices as our requirement. It is actually processing around. It will take 50 documents are there, so it will take some time. mm, can see here the data is being running there. Okay. Mm, Around 50 data are there, so it may take some time actually. uh, it is running. And another important feature of the form extractor is it can actually process 50 data actually per hour. So now we can see the invoice section. Yeah, you can see that we have extracted all the values from the invoices as we require. Name of the payer, and if you just drag and drop it to elaborate it, just elaborate it. Okay. Actually, after extracting all the details, we are actually transferring these values in a data table form. You can see we have got all the values that we require to get from the invoices. We can see that we have got the name of the payer, recharge number, date of billing, operator. That is, operator indicates whether operator, order number, amount. Okay, and this invoice, you can see there are different invoices. Some invoices are for mobile number like idea, some are for DTH recharge, and some are for paying the electricity bills, etc. Okay, these invoices actually are from Paytm actually, so they have same format itself. Okay, so this is what actually I have done, and this is my first project on document understanding itself. Thank you.